Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest banner. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest banner, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list here, we search about Pinterest, and when you'll find it, you will enter. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.